Hi friends, it's Stephy and welcome to another video on my channel. Before we get started, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Stephy Blue Bear. So today I'm going to be showing you how I did this cute Valentine's Day look, and I know I'm posting this not on Valentine's Day, but I've been so busy with work and stuff that I wasn't able to film and edit and post a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial for Valentine's Day, so I'm gonna be doing it afterwards. I mean, I know it's too late, but I still want to post it, so it's more like a after Valentine's Day look. So hope you guys enjoy it. So the palette that I'm gonna be using for this look is the Ace Beauty Grand, I can't pronounce it, but this one, and it has a lot of nice pretty colors in it. So I haven't really used this yet, but I want to use it for this look, so we're going to be using it for this look. I just really like the look of this palette. I really like how this part has like this design, and then like the design on the front, and the back is just black. So like I just really like the design on the inside. Now I really wish that there was a mirror inside of it, but you know, I still really like the look of it. So the first color that I'm going to be taking this color called Clove, and it's this orange color right here. And I'm going to be putting that all over my crease. That's a nice color, I like that. This is a nice transition color. I like colors like this. I don't have a lot of colors that like look like this. So I definitely appreciate this color. That is a very nice color. I like it. So now I'm going to be taking the color, what color should I use next? I'm going to be taking the color Poppy, which is the dark red color right here. And I'm going to be putting it like right here, this part of the crease. That's a nice color. I'm taking a little bit more of Clove, which is the orangey color, and just blending it out a little bit with the color Poppy. So now I'm going to be taking this color called Patchouli. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's this color right here. I'm going to be putting that on my brow bone. So now I'm going to be taking a flat brush, and I'm going to be using the color Rose, which is this really pink semi-shimmery color, and I'm going to be putting it on my lids. That's a really pretty color. Wow, that's a really nice pink on me. It's not really a shimmer color. It's like a semi-shimmery, sort of. Like, I'm gonna show you. Come on, palette. So this color, which is in the color Myrtle, is definitely a shimmer, as well as this color Jasmine, and maybe this color Primrose, but this one is like not really that shimmery as like the other ones. This one's kind of like, let me see if I get closer up. Can't really close up, but it's like sort of a shimmery, but not really a shimmer. I guess you could say it's like satin kind of color, but it's still really pretty. I like it. So I'm gonna be taking the color Jasmine, which is this color in the corner. I'm gonna be putting it like in the middle of my eye, sort of. I'm gonna use this tiny brush and just like put it in the middle, like, let's see. like sort of like this. So then the middle can have like a tiny bit of shine to it. So I am going to be putting on my foundation and powder, and I'll be right back so we can finish the eyes. So I have my foundation and my powder on, so I am going to be continuing the eyes. So I'm going to be taking this smudge brush, and I'm going to be dipping into the color Poppy, which is a dark red color, and putting that underneath my eyelids. So right here. And I'm also going to be dipping into the color Clove and putting it on top of that color. And Clove was that orangey color if you were wondering. I'm just gonna blend that out a tiny bit. So now I'm gonna be taking the color Jasmine, which is that sparkly gold color, and putting it on the inner corners of my eyes, just to kind of match what I did like up here. And I'm going to be doing something different. Instead of putting my favorite inner corner highlight, I'm going to be using the same color Jasmine as an inner corner highlight. Now for the complicated part, I'm going to be putting eyeliner on my eyes. I'm going to fast forward this, but I'm just going to do that. So I'm done with the eyes, so now I'm going to be doing some contouring. So now I'm going to be doing some highlighting, so I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in the color Lilac to Reality. It's this, oh I can't even show it, it's this really pretty purple color, if it focuses. It's a really pretty like lilac purple color. And I thought I looked good for this look because it's like a Valentine's Day look, so why not? Why not go over the edge? So now I'm going to be putting a tiny bit of blush. I'm going to be using the Makeup Geek XOXO blush, and it looks like this. It's like a really, you can't even tell in the camera, but it's an intense pink color. So you just want to like dab like once, and like so. I think that was too much. Oh my god. I think that's a lot of blush, but it still looks kind of cute. Should I put a tiny bit on my nose? Let's try and do that. Ooh, that looks cute. sort of cute. I'm going to be putting lipstick on now, so I'm going to be using the Lime Crime Unicorn lipstick in the color Heart Eyes. So now I'm going to be taking this color, and it's called LA Colors Matte Liquid Lip Color in the color Perfection, and I'm going to be putting like a little heart on my eye somewhere. And here is the finished look. I think this look is really cute. It's different than what I did last year. Last year I did do a heart, but I only did it on 2 sides, and I'm doing it only on 1 side this year. So I still think it's a really cute look. This is my first time using this palette, so I thought it was really cute. I like this palette. And my friend gave it to me as a Christmas present, and I know that she got it from like a BoxyCharm or like a makeup subscription, but I don't mind her giving me stuff she doesn't want. So I love this. I like this palette a lot. And at first I thought that this lip color didn't match, but I actually really like it with this look, even though it's pretty bright. But I really like this look. It's really cute. And this is also the first time where I put I don't really put blush on my face as much, but I think it's really cute, so I should start putting blush on my face more often. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment down below. And please subscribe to my channel. I would really, really appreciate it. And until next time, bye.